Welcome home, kids! How were exams?
Maya got a perfect 100 in science.
Is that true, Maya?
It's true, Mom. I got every answer right.
That is my brilliant girl. I'm so proud of you.
Tom, let's see your math test.
I.
A 65? Are you joking with me?
Tom, look at your younger sister. Maya is only 9 years old, and she is already doing better than you.
You do not need extra help, Tom. You just need to stop being so lazy.
Why can't you be more like Maya? She never gives us any stress at all.
I am not Maya, Mom.
Drawing pictures will not build you a future. You need to focus on real subjects, Tom.
Okay, Dad. I understand.
Tom, it's past midnight. Why are you awake?
I'm reading this advanced science book.
That book is very hard, even for me.
I want to be smart like you, Maya.
Tom, please, you need to rest.
What is all this noise?
It's midnight. Dad, I'm studying. I've been reading 3 hours.
Tom.
Please stop pretending to impress me.
Daddy, I'm not pretending. I'm really trying.
Go to bed. You are wasting electricity. Leave the advanced science to Maya.
Tom, you are just not built for it.
But Mom, you told me to be like her.
Trying and succeeding are two very different things. Good night, Tom.
I hate my stupid brain. I hate my face.
Tom? Who are you talking to in there?
Nobody. I'm just looking at the mirror.
Tom, are you crying? Your eyes are so red.
You don't have to be mean to me. I didn't do anything wrong to you. I know. I'm sorry. I'm having a hard time.
Why would you say that? You're a great brother.
That's not true. You draw the most beautiful pictures.
Mom and Dad threw my drawings in the trash today.
They said art is only for foolish children. They just want me to be you, Maya.
Oh, Tom. That is not right at all.
We are so happy to have you here tonight.
And look at little Maya. She won another medal today.
We are so blessed to have such a brilliant daughter.
And what about your son, Tom? What's his talent?
Oh, he'll get there eventually.
We hope he catches up to his sister someday.
It's a heavy burden. We try to push him.
We just want him to be exactly like her.
Why don't you people care about me at all? No. I'm so tired of this. Every single day.
What is wrong with you? Pick that up right now.
You compare me to her every single minute.
We are just trying to motivate you, Tom.
You didn't motivate me. You destroyed me completely.
I stopped drawing.
I threw my art away for you. I study until I feel unwell, but I'm never enough. You don't want 2 children. You want 2 Mayas.
Go to your room right now, Tom. Immediately. You are a complete disgrace tonight.
I wish I was never born. Then you could just have your perfect daughter.
Don't yell at him, Dad. He's telling the truth.
Maya, stay out of this. It's not your business.
Maya, put that down right now. What are you doing? I'm terrified you'll treat me the way you treat Tom.
You don't love us.
You only love our grades.
Tom, come here, please.
I love you exactly the way you are, Tom.
We are so sorry. We were completely wrong.
I mean every word. You are my son. I love you.
We both love you, Tom. Both of us. Your drawings are beautiful. Please don't ever stop.
We are proud. We always were. We just forgot to show it.
We should never compare you. That was our mistake.
Being a family means loving each other as we are. We're so grateful you told us the truth, both of you.